This is lecture 18, Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College, Jamkandi. I am Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So let us see the continuity of a function. Continuity of a function. Continuity of a function. Right, how to define the continuity of a function? Limit of a function previously, whereas now continuity of a function. A function f of x is said to be continuous at the point x is equal to a if limit f of x as x tends to a is equal to f of a is equal to f of a. This means this is a function is to be defined on the real number line. So this is the point x is equal to a and this is the point f of x. This is the function f of x and it is the point on the real number line. The question is the limit, the continuity of the function f of x, whether this function is continuous at this point x is equal to a or not. Suppose if the limit of the function as x tends to a will be is equal to f of a, because this is value is f of a. If the limit of the function will be is equal to f of a, then that f of x is continuous at the point x is equal to a. So it has the continuity is there. There is no disturbance, there is no break at any point on the real number line. That means particularly at the point x is equal to a, the function f of x has no break, so that the function is to be continuous at the point x is equal to a, when the limit of the function will be is equal to f of a. So alternate definition for this, or a function f of x is said to be continuous at x is equal to a if for each epsilon greater than 0, comma, there exists delta greater than 0 such that mod f of x minus f of a is less than epsilon for mod x minus a is less than delta. See that now the limit of the function, the right side is the limit L, whereas now the limit L will be is equal to f of a, then the function is said to be continuous. This implies f of a minus epsilon is less than f of x is less than f of a plus epsilon in the modulus properties. For a minus delta is less than x is less than a plus delta. This implies f of x belongs to open interval f of a minus epsilon, comma f of a plus epsilon. Even for x belongs to open interval a minus delta, comma a plus delta. These are all to be true. The given definition, and it is in terms of its alternative in terms of mod So these are in terms of their inequalities. So to find the continuity of the function f of x at a point, to find the continuity of f of x at a point, right? Find LHL, RHL and f of a. If LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of a, then limit f of x as extends to a is equal to f of a, and f of x is said to be continuous at x is equal to a. So to find the continuity of the function, we are finding out generally LHL, RHL and f of a, and verify this. Automatically, if all will be true, the continuity of the function f of x exists at x is equal to a. Next, a function f of x is said to be discontinuous or not continuous at x is equal to a if limit f of x as extends to a is not equal to f of a. Of course, many alternate definitions are there for the discontinuous, so no need of much more here. Next, continuity of a function in an interval. Continuity of a function in an interval. So previously at a point, now continuity of function at a point, whereas now in an interval. A function f of x is said to be continuous in an interval if it is continuous at every point of that interval. If it is continuous at every point of that interval. Suppose this is closed interval a comma b. So this is the function is f of x. So it is continuous at every point of this interval. Then that function is said to be continuous in that interval. So that even here also this is f of a and this is f of b. So that limit f of x as extends to a will be is equal to a, or even sometimes limit f of x as extends to b is equal to f of b. So that the function is continuous in this interval. Next, algebra of continuous functions. algebra of continuous functions. Algebra of continuous functions. If f of x and g of x be two functions continuous at x is equal to a, then first point, f of x plus g of x is continuous at x is equal to a. Second point, the difference of these two, f of x minus g of x is continuous at x is equal to a. The product f of x into g of x is continuous at x is equal to a. Fourth one, even f of x by g of x, where g of x not equal to 0, is also continuous at x is equal to a. So let us see the problems on the continuity of the functions. So problems, first problem, show that the function f of x is equal to x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2 if x is not equal to 2, is equal to 4 if x is equal to 4, is continuous at x is equal to 2. Show that this function is to be continuous at x is equal to 2. Next, solution to show that the given function is continuous. Solution. So what is given? The function is to be like this. Given f of x is equal to x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2 if x is not equal to 2 and f of 2 is equal to 4. These two are given. Next, continuity of f of x at x is equal to 2. Continuity of f of x at x is equal to 2. Next, limit x tends to 2 f of x is equal to, limit x tends to 2, f of x function is x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2 is equal to, as this is by factorization we can simplify, x tends to 2, limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 into x plus 2 divided by x minus 2. So that this x minus 2 function is to be cancelled, is equal to, substitute value 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is equal to f of 2. This means limit x tends to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2. So by the definition of the continuity, limit f of x as x tends to a is equal to f of a, then the function is continuous at x is equal to a. Even here also, that is f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2 by definition. So that since limit f of x as x tends to a is equal to f of a is equal to f of a. Right. Second problem. Show that the function f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 if x less than 4, 3x plus 7 if x greater than or equal to 4, is continuous at x is equal to 4. Solution. Let f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. If x less than 4, 3x plus 7 if x greater than or equal to 4, and f of 4 is equal to, so where we can substitute x is equal to 4 in the second function, it is 3x plus 7 is equal to 3 into 4 plus 7 is equal to 19. So f of 4 value is 19. Next, continuity of f of x at x is equal to 4. So here take the LHL and RHL because the function is defined for x less than 4 like this, and for x greater than or equal to 4, 3x plus 7. So that we need to take, as the function is defined in different ways, in different intervals, so that LHL or RHL need to be found. LHL is equal to, or LHL comma, limit f of x as x tends to a minus means 4 minus, is equal to limit x tends to 4 minus, that is 4 minus means x less than 4. When x less than 4, f of x function is to be defined 3x, that is 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3 is equal to 4 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 19. Next, RHL value, limit f of x as x tends to 4 plus is equal to limit x tends to 4 plus, the function is x greater than 4, 4 plus means is defined 3x plus 7 is equal to 3 into 4 plus 7 is equal to 19. So the LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of 4 is equal to 19. This implies limit f of x as x tends to 4 is equal to f of 4. So that function is continuous. That is, f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous at x is equal to 4. Right. As function is defined in two ways, we are finding out the LHL and RHL. Otherwise, the function is to be defined directly in one interval. We can take either substitution or factorization or rationalization methods whenever the roots are there. Right. So, a few problems I will give you. you can find the solution and verify that whether they are continuous or not at these points. Show that f of x is equal to 1 plus x if x less than or equal to 2. 5 minus x if x greater than 2 is continuous at x is equal to 2. Right. The answer is to be f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. So do this problem as the second problem, because the function is defined in two ways. Similarly, the fourth problem, because these are all the problems asked in examination. Find the value of k if f of x is equal to 4x minus 1 if for x less than or equal to 1, x plus k for x greater than or equal to 1 is continuous at x is equal to 1. Next, for this problem, the answer is k is equal to 2. Next, fifth problem. If f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, if x less than or equal to 1, 2x minus 1 if x greater than 1, then prove that f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. Right. You take this fourth problem as in 3, this is the first problem and this is the second problem. Now, this is the fourth problem. Right. These problems you have to practice easily, showing that functions are to be continuous at the given points. Thank you very much.